Alright guys, so we just came in on MILLSBOROUGH Avenue. They're also doing some pipe laying on this avenue as well. First of all, you know the drill by now. If you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe. Subscribing is completely free. So just subscribe and join the Rush Raymore Reviews channel. And you know I am Rush, the Discover Boss, here with another driving video. So MILLSBOROUGH is regarded as one of the richer communities in Jamaica, very upscale community. Almost every lot is an apartment complex. This is one of the avenue you can say 100% apartments from the beginning of the road straight up both sides. So this is MILLSBOROUGH, Kingston, Jamaica. Close to Barbican, close to Ligani. Multiple apartments. So we have MILLSBOROUGH Rose, we pass MILLSBOROUGH Court, and as I continue up, it's just all apartments. So it's one of the richer community in Jamaica. You guys can let me know what you think about that as well, that title. So that's the drive we're doing today. On the left is Dillsbury Avenue. And we continue to go up the hill. There's some apartments that are still under construction on MILLSBOROUGH Avenue right now. Some newer apartments. You know, most of them is townhouse design. Some of them over 1 million US. So lots of stuff happening on MILLSBOROUGH Avenue. But that's what we're driving today. Just want to show you guys another community in terms of different parts of Kingston, different parts of Jamaica. That's MILLSBOROUGH Crescent on the right. So I guess they're upgrading the either sewage or water in the area. I guess probably because of the increased apartments as well. So both sides of the roads, apartment complexes, multi-dwelling complexes. You know, some will be older than some. Not very high-rise apartments either. Most of them designing townhouses, but not very high-rise. Most of them have high fences, so you guys won't be able to see much. What I'll do as well, I'll give you guys some glimpses coming back down, because it's a very good view up here as well. You can see the ocean, you can see the ports, Kingston Wharves from up here. So when I'm coming back down, I'll show you guys some downhill shots as well. I guess these lots were originally very big, so each one of them can basically hold an apartment complex. And for example, right here we see some zinc fence. That's another apartment. Right here is the Cesar luxury apartment and villa. This one is under construction. Not sure if it's sold out yet, the Cesar. And then on the right you see that zinc fence. That's one under construction. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna give you guys a downhill shot as well, a downhill video, so you guys can stay for that view. This is the GIAU Gale or GIA 25 to 27 MILLSBOROUGH Avenue. Again, townhouse design. And then we have another one here with the blue zinc under construction. This one is the Camden. The developer is Guardian Group, same persons that are developing the Cambridge. So you have Cambridge and the Camden. Let's see if I can give you guys a little glimpse of the billboard, even though the tractor is blocking it. See how good I can zoom in for you. Alright, so still going up Millsborough Avenue. And again, lots of apartment complexes, gated townhouse complexes. That's what's mostly on Millsborough Avenue. Alright, so what we're gonna do shortly, we're gonna turn back and then we do a downhill drive. So Millsborough Avenue, one of the richer community in Kingston, Jamaica. Alright, so more apartment under construction. So one right up here in the hill, another townhouse complex. It seems as if the units are detached though, so it's like your own, you know, your own house in a gated facility. It's a nice community, nice houses, very upscale community. Millsborough Avenue, Kingston, Jamaica. Alright, so it's a sloping community though, so you know, going up it's the hill, uphill, then downhill. And again, another apartment complex over there, right up in the hills. And then Tavistock Terrace starts here. Alright guys, so Millsborough Avenue. So we're doing the downhill section now, just to show you guys the view going down. Still a good view for the most part. Can see lots of Kingston. I'm just looking out right now. I can see the wharf, the Portmore Causeway. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit for you guys. Wow. Alright, let me see. So we'll turn back around. Right, so that's the view up here. So wharf, Kingston Harbor, Portmore Causeway. So that's the view you guys get. So let's zoom back out. Alright, so again, leave your comment guys. Let me know if you would regard Millsborough Drive as one of those richer community in Jamaica. Let me know what you think. So this is the downhill drive. Again, at least 3 or 4 apartments are under construction. This reminds me of Paddington Terrace, which also have a lot of apartment complexes mixed with single family dwelling. Should be doing an update on Paddington Terrace real soon for you guys, so you guys can see. So remember to leave your comments, remember to like, remember to subscribe, and remember to share. So I'm always trying to bring you guys new content, different areas, so you guys can have an idea, you know, of what's happening in Jamaica. Alright guys, so continue enjoying the drive while we go down Millsborough Avenue. Left turn right here, just take a quick spin on Millsborough Crescent. And again, mainly townhouse, gated communities, apartment complexes. So we're on Millsborough Crescent. And again guys, as I always say, if you grew up in this community, if you have ever lived in this community, if you're living in this community or even know someone living in the community, just let me know. Leave it in the comment section. So Millsborough Crescent. And again, I can't show every single home. So just trying to show as much as I can. Alright guys, so thanks for watching. Really appreciate the support. Really appreciate you guys clicking on this video. Remember to share your comments, share the video so someone else can see, and I'll definitely see you guys on another video.